Okay, let's get into why changing your habits feels so impossible and the simple fix.
Seriously, ever ask yourself this, why do we get stuck doing stuff we know we shouldn't?
Like endless scrolling, you say just one more video and bam, an hour's gone. Or what about that goal to hit the gym? It starts strong, then just fizzles out, right? And of course, procrastination. That big project you know you need to start? Yeah, later.
But here's the thing, it's not a willpower problem. The issue is your brain's programming.
It all comes down to a simple three-step process called the habit loop.
Think of it like your brain's autopilot. It just runs in the background, no thought required. And that's exactly why just trying harder fails. You're fighting an automatic system. This quote from Atomic Habits absolutely nails it. It's all about your systems. So, the secret isn't some massive change. It's about building better, tiny daily systems. What if, instead of trying to be perfect, you just aim to get 1% better each day? Sounds small, right? But thanks to compounding, you'd be 37 times better after just 1 year. So, how do you actually do this? Here are 3 simple hacks you can start using today.
First up, this is probably the most important rule for starting any new habit.
It's the 2-minute rule. Make any new habit so easy it takes less than 2 minutes.
Okay, number 2. This is how you link a new habit into your existing life. It's called habits stacking. The formula is, after my current habit, I'll do my new habit. And finally, number 3. This one's a total game changer, and it's all about your identity. See, every small action you take is a vote for the person you want to become. So to recap, make it tiny, stack it onto an old habit, and make it part of who you are. Because in the end, success isn't about that one big thing. It's the product of daily habits. So I'll leave you with this question. What's one 2-minute action you can start today?